How to send large video files on Facebook Messenger. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video of app tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can send in large video files using your Facebook Messenger. If you normally try to send in large video files, from here it says that the video file is too large. So in this case what you can do is firstly send the video file to a third-party application, which is Google Drive. So you can first head over to the video file that you want to send in, open up the video file and tap on the share option and choose the Google Drive option. Once you do, you can see this interface. Now from here you can also rename the file if you want. You can choose the location and you can choose the Google account that you're using to send in the Google Drive. So for the location you can also create a custom folder. To do that, tap on the folder option on the top right, and from here you can name this folder anything you want. Tap on create, tap on select, and the video location will be selected. Now you can just tap on save on the top right. Now this video file will be sent to your Google Drive. If the video file is extremely large, it may take some time, so you need to wait out. Once the file has been uploaded, you can now open up your Google Drive and then open up the folder that you just created. From here you can just tap on the three dots right here, tap on manage access, tap on change, tap on restricted and make it to anyone with a link. Once the access has been changed, you can head back, again tap on the three dots and tap on copy link. Now the link has been successfully copied to your phone and you can now send in this link on your Messenger. So just open up Messenger and you can now paste in the link. This link will be immediately sent and the other person will be able to tap on this link and then look at the video file and even download the video file onto their device. So that's how exactly you can send in large video files on your Facebook Messenger. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. I'm going to be back with more informative videos just like this. Thanks for watching.